I shouldn't be here. Alan, this species of variformin's been extinct since the Cretaceous period. I mean, this thing is about this thing. What?
Wait a minute. What just happened? Well, you were tricked. You've been baited. The trap is set. So much of science fiction and fantasy and film in general is the reaction shot. It's a great way to entice the audience to want more, to see what's next, what the character's looking at, what's shocking them, terrifying them, making them cry, making them relive their happiest memories. The reaction shot is to film what the cliffhanger is to the novel. It's bait, and you're the little fish that's going to get hooked.
What is this new devilry?
This is one of the most intense and memorable reaction shots of all time. It's of course from Steven Spielberg's cult classic Jurassic Park. I'm part of that cult, by the way. I love this movie. But what makes this scene so iconic? So iconic that it can be referenced in pop culture, humour, parodied left and right and centre, and everyone understands the reference. Well, that's what we'll be looking at here on Ben Shares. One of the reasons this scene works so well is its place in the structure of the film. We're familiar with the characters. Their personalities have been established masterfully. To summarise, Dr. Grant is passionate but old-fashioned.
Dr. Grant's not mission compatible.
Got it in for me.
And not kid-friendly.
Here. You are alive when they start to eat you.
Dr. Ellie Sattler is just as passionate, but right from the start is more compassionate. John Hammond is like a child with his giddy excitedness.
Hey, we were saving that!
But today, I guarantee it.
And as we learn later, childish carelessness. And Dr. Ian Malcolm is, well, a rock star. It's therefore fitting that these characters act and react in a way that suits their character. Dr. Grant is speechless. Dr. Sattler, as a paleobotanist, doesn't understand how a species of plant has been brought back to life and is even more shocked at the herd moving in. Hammond is thrilled at their response, thinking that he's bagged their support for the park, and Ian Malcolm delivers some of the most memorable lines in any blockbuster movie ever.
You crazy son of a bitch, you did.
That brings us on to the performances. Sam Neill is perfect in this role overall, but he really is perfect for this scene. His eyes really sell the I can't believe what I'm looking at. And Laura Dern does a great job too. Sir Richard Attenborough is an undeniable once-in-a-generation talent, may he rest in peace, and Jeff Goldblum is the coolest cat to ever live.
Dr. Sattler, I refuse to believe that you aren't familiar with the concept of attraction.
The dialogue's great as well, but so much of what sells everything happening in this scene is the unsaid and the unseen, the unnoticed. Unlike a lot of reaction shots, this sequence isn't just one shot. The reaction spans several shots. Not only that, it also spans several shot styles, rather than just being one medium shot. And just like the characters, the camera doesn't hang around and stay stationary. It rises upwards, twice, which helps convey a sense of scale. Despite the fact that the camera is now at our level, when the Brachiosaurus passes, Grant and Sattler are dwarfed. This sense of scale that makes their reaction seem so believable is emphasised in quite an unexpected way. We all know the trick of getting an over-the-shoulder shot from a low perspective to make a character feel small. But Spielberg and cinematographer Dean Cundey take it to the next level by using a taller aspect ratio than a traditional feature film. Hence why there are no black bars at the top and bottom of this footage on a traditional 16:9 screen. In fact, at the top and bottom of this shot are the most important features of the shot itself. Our protagonist, minimized at the bottom, and the top of the dinosaur at the top of the shot, emphasizing just how incredible these creatures really were.
You said you've got a T-Rex?
Uh-huh. Say again. We have a T-Rex.
And in Dr. Grant's case, how incredible they really are.
Dr. Grant, my dear Dr. Sattler, welcome to Jurassic Park.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. It's been so great being able to make a video about a film that I'm so passionate about. I've also been really enjoying your feedback on my last video that I made about Picasso. There's links to that in the cards and the description. I also now have a Patreon page, so if you want to get access to some exclusive behind the scenes content and support me make these videos, it's very much appreciated. Let me know what your thoughts are about this iconic film scene. Thank you so much. Bye.